Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to do a forward layout and a back layout. And you're kind of going to swivel, rotate your leg around to get from the front to the back and back to the front. So to do this, we're going to start off with a single foot lock. And I'm going to start off a little bit higher. So from here, it's really easy. You just reach up, grab up, and kick your leg forward into a forward layout. And you can bend your leg, you can keep it forward, you can do whatever you want with your back leg. But from here, you're going to get into the back layout, you're going to swivel your hips around into a back layout. And you can straighten your leg if you want. And this uses a lot of back flexibility and stretches out your thighs, but you're using your wrists to swivel around too. Your wrists swivel on the fabric and really have to grab on tight so that you don't fall forward. And use your hips to rotate back around to the front and step back to get out of it. And that was a front and back layout. So I can show it to you from a different angle if you like. The most complicated part of this is the foot lock, which is in another video, which I have a tutorial of. So from here, and when you get into your foot lock, you're going to try to get your foot lock as high up as you can, so you can kind of like kick the tail to get it higher on your foot, and then step into that loop, reach up, and hang. So this is a front layout, and swivel to the back. I'll do it a little bit lower. So from the front, swivel to the back. Thank you guys for watching my videos. My name is Michelle once again, and keep checking out my station or my channel for more.